Hello everyone, this is RC Anatomy, and today we are going to get the ball strip for our CNC mill, our Sherline CNC mill. So, this is a very big upgrade. I'm very excited. Gonna take a little bit of installation. I'm hoping there are no like roadblocks that come up to prevent quick installation. We'll then have to re-zero all the axes to make sure that everything's square, and then we'll be ready to go. So we're about to leave for the Sherline place because we live pretty close, not that close, but yeah, we'll pick it up, get back home, and install it. Okay, we have arrived at Sherline Products. So we'll go get the mill and then meet you back outside. Okay, we picked up the package really quick. Just go in, say hello, and then pick up the package and then sign, and we're out of there. So there it is back there. It's the box that's hiding behind the green bag right there. So we're on our way home and then we'll assemble it. Okay, we are back home and we're going to now open this package and show you what's inside. Smells like Sherline. Their signature smell. Wow. Dang, they packaged this really well. Like a whole bag here. Spray foam? Dang, boy. You did that really well. Good job, Sherline. Oh. We have some new way covers. I got on video too. Okay, that was an interesting addition to our Sherline unboxing. So we have new way covers. They will not protect you against an earthquake, by the way. Brand new way covers. We have an unlabeled box here. Let's see what this is. I'm guessing this is like, oh, what's it called? Oh, hand wheels, cool. Brand new hand wheels. Where are the high torque stepper motors? Are they in here? I don't see the high torque stepper motors anywhere. Let me look at the packing list. They've got to be here somewhere. there, probably in the foam somewhere. How am I supposed to lift it? Okay, there we go. Weird. Okay, so we had to go back. Here are the stepper motors. We got them. They're here. So now we gotta go outside. But first, we need to double check the tutorial and make sure we understand how it all works. So let's go do that. Okay, we are here. Double check the video. And first I need to strip this whole thing down. So we're gonna do that. And then get to the fun install process. Okay, we have the whole thing moved, all taken apart. We're gonna grab some towels for cleaning, and let's head outside. And here is the mill, all taken apart. Set you up here. Move some stuff around. Okay. And this is where we're going to be working. So, let's get started. Okay, we have our ball screws attached, we have our high torque stepper motors, everything's basically ready. We need to bring it back inside and put oil in the oil thing, put oil up here, which this one doesn't have one. So, gonna have to oil that, but other than that, it went pretty smooth. It's taken a while. It's 1:43, so yeah. So let's go back inside the workshop and put the headstock on and finish this thing up. Okay, we have it all set up. We need to still zero it and do all that fancy stuff. But everything's assembled. Everything's on here. It's really cool. We got ball screw, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna eat now. I'm really hungry, but I need to clean up, figure out where to put the old stepper motors. I mean, look at the size difference. It's crazy. You can feel the difference super easily, but yeah, that's how you assemble a ball screw. Sherline ball screw mill. So thanks for watching. Make sure to hit all the bells and whistles down below, and I will hopefully see you in the next video.